This is the final video of the installation of the ditch brackets from Rago Fabrication Brackets. So this is how it looks. It's pretty cool. I really love it. It's really nice, very steady, no issues whatsoever in the installation. So, by the way, Rago Fabrication did not have nothing to do with this video. I just want to making a statement. They're not paying me. I'm not getting any compensation. I just want to say then they're really good guys. They're really good quality product, and I'm very happy with it. So you guys should check it out and see their website, and also they are in Facebook, Instagram, and so some other those websites. So thank you again, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out, and have a nice day. Bye bye.